Let's explore the default bridge network in Docker. This is about container connectivity fundamentals. Docker's default bridge network is the built-in networking solution that automatically connects containers to each other and provides internet access. It is auto-created when Docker starts. It also provides outbound connectivity by default. Let's understand the architecture of the bridge network. You have a host system running the Docker engine. The Docker engine is connected to a Docker 0 bridge, which has an IP address in the range of 172.17.0.1/16. This Docker 0 bridge is connected to containers. For example, container 1 with an IP address of 172.17.0.2, and container 2 with an IP address of 172.17.0.3. In essence, the virtual bridge creates an isolated network segment for containers. To view the default network configuration, use the Docker network inspect bridge command. Key properties of the bridge network are: the network name is bridge. The subnet range is 172.17.0.0/16, and the gateway IP is 172.17.0.1. Containers can communicate with each other via IP addresses. For example, the app container with an IP address of 172.17.0.2 can communicate with the DB container having an IP address of 172.17.0.3. Keep in mind that IP addresses change on restart. Communication methods include direct IP access using containers' assigned IP address and port mapping, which exposes ports to the host system. Containers can also connect to the internet. The connectivity flow is as follows. A container with an IP address of 172.17.0.2 connects to the Docker bridge, which has an IP address of 172.17.0.1. Then it connects to the internet to gain external access. Docker bridge uses network address translation, abbreviated as NAT, to translate container IPs to host IP for outbound internet access. Here's an example of port mapping. The Docker command is docker run flag P8080:80 Jinx. This maps port 8080 on the host to port 80 on the container. For external access, you can use a browser to access localhost :8080 or use the host IP :8080. The bridge network has key limitations. There is no DNS resolution, meaning containers cannot communicate using names. Also, there are dynamic IP addresses, meaning IPs change on container restart. Better solutions include using custom networks, which enable DNS resolution between containers, and using Docker Compose for automated network management. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.